Hello everybody, Lynn here from Mockingbird in Maine, and I have a project to show you that I created using some of the Graphics Fairy Domino collage images that are available on the premium membership site. For this project I used from the steampunk sheet and the map collage sheet, and I created two little, aren't they cute, mini journals with vintage wooden dominoes. And I'll show you this one first. This one is sort of a travel theme. I've got some of my faux leather paper inside there and a little bit of brown baker's twine. And this one, I actually bound the pages in with the PVA glue, so it is like a little tiny book. And we've got end papers, which are from the collage sheet. And then this paper is a tea-dyed, like a mixed media paper, so it's a little thicker, nice weight to it, a little thicker than like a printer paper. And so there are blank pages in between with some of the images from the collage sheet. The pages are so tiny, but you could write in them. Paris. So it is a bunch of little pages with some inspiring images in between. I love that. So pretty. And so that is the first one. Show you all of that. And this one is the steampunk one. And here is like an upholstery tack I just hammered in, and the closure just wraps around some vintage twine and it's attached there. And this has accordion style pages. I love this so, I just love these. It was so much fun and so quick and easy, and just something different to do with these images, this size of image. So that is it. So check out the premium membership Domino images. There are so many different collage sheets to choose from. I am going to make some more of these little books, I think, because it was a lot of fun. And I want to use some more of the other images. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you like it. Take care. I'll see you back here again real soon.